Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing another channel because I love my trains and that, so I love coming here, but I can't come every single week because it's not good to come all week. If I keep coming all week, then they're not going to let me on the platform. So yeah, like I said, I'll be getting the bus at 2:10 today. I'll be getting the bus at 2:10 today. So yeah, and so yes, I can't remember what I was going to say. Can't remember what I was going to fucking say. Yeah, I'm not spending no more money today either. So, pardon me. Look what it says there. It says mind the gap. That means that, bruv. Means that yellow line. So I got to mind the yellow line. If I step on it, then I won't be allowed on the platform. I told it's got cameras. Look. See that, everyone? Going all the way down there. Down there. No. So yeah. I don't know. If I'm going to take a walk back up here, take a walk back up this way, and we'll sit down for a bit. My legs hurt. Well, not that much, but I'm saying my legs hurt because... So yeah, my legs hurt now, but oh well. It's like 12:57, so that's alright though. It's got plenty of time. Still got plenty of time, bruv. Still got loads of time. Yeah, so everyone just saying, taking my phone off charge now again because it's got 100. So yeah, and what I was saying is about my other channel. So yeah, everyone, peace out, subscribe, comment down below. Peace out. Enjoy my other channels. Peace out. Love you guys. Peace. Peace. Peace.